Welcome to the happiest Wednesday ever with my friend Frank here with me. We're going to take him to the kitchen today and we're going to do some pancake making.
Pancakes. Garrett, I don't think we have pancake mix.
No, we...
Flop.
I actually don't either.
Dopey dopey do, my name Frank and I stay at home all day. I don't pay rent. Oh! That is definitely not an appropriate pancake making technique. Also, I wouldn't know.
Oh, alright. Perfect flour substitute. So you're going to want about 4 cups of this right here. Just a dash of peppermint spice.
Kind of a dab. Ah.
And we just put 1 potato in here.
Just like Grandma would make it. So now we're looking for some flavor.
Oh. Big pancake flavor here. Kit.
Oh, yeah, did you just put it in there?
Nope.
Okay.
Gotta have the milk. Gotta have the milk on those panny cakes.
I can't stop looking at it.
The final ingredient.
Okay, my phone died, but we're back at it. The final ingredient.
Oh, of course. How could I forget the cream cheese?
Oh!
We've got all our ingredients together here in the bowl here. We just want to mash them all up nice and good with our little squashy poo.
What a waste of a squash.
Good eats, boys! Alrighty. Now you got your pancakes, you got your mix in your thing there. So you go ahead and turn on the fire. That's a pretty hot one. And you got the pan, and that's all good.
I'm stepping away.
Once you got your pan heated up there to 262 degrees there, you just go ahead and scoop your pancakes on, one by one. This will be done in about a quarter 25 hours or so.
When did you start to get into the culinary?
I've been a cooking chef boy since I was probably 37.
Oh. That's weird because I've known you for 20 years and you've never cooked, but...
I don't know about that.
Plastic, yeah.
I can't wait to feed you guys these pancakes.
Ew. There we go. That's the sugar.
Just about perfect.
You see, you made the perfect recipe, but do you have the perfect presentation? We're gonna get the alarm to go off.
Shit. Pancakes all cooked up here, so we're just gonna go ahead and serve them up on a nice little plate.
That looks like slop. That looks like cat food. Frank don't even want that.
Wouldn't be some pancakes without a little bit of the old syrupy burp. Bone apple sweet.
Ew! this recipe approved by Frank? Oh. No, you look sad, so I'm gonna say no.